Hey everybody, I am so excited because today is day three. Day three. Time goes so fast. Today is day three of our Thanksgiving countdown for 2022. Can we get an amen, somebody? Okay. Yesterday, I actually posted a recipe for a turkey that would be an amazing turkey substitute. Now, I've been using this turkey probably about almost 10 years, I suppose. The price is a little pricey, I'm going to say that. It didn't used to be quite as pricey, but it has gone up. Apparently, more and more people are using it, and so they have increased the price. But suffice it to say that the recipe that I have provided for you is really amazing to kind of enhance the flavor of it. It already looks like a turkey, and it has they put like some little arms and some legs on it that kind of looks like a turkey, and you can brown it so that it looks like a turkey, and it's really a great substitute for the pardon turkey that we talked about. You know, the president pardons a turkey every year, and we've been pardoning turkeys for probably 20 some odd years now. So that's really exciting for us. Just imagine all of the turkeys that we have allowed to live their life out free and clear without me having to, frankly, eat them. And so the president's going to do that again this year to pardon a turkey, but we do it every year. But sometimes people want kind of a substitute. Like, I want something that looks like a turkey. And so this is really a great substitute. Now, that is on Facebook on our page, Dr. Helen PS. And you can see the recipe for the turkey. So I hope you go over there and take a look at that because it's an incredible recipe. Now, today I have this, and I've been smelling it. If you've guessed what this is, or if you've wondered what this is, mine is a little skimpy, but this is rosemary. This is fresh rosemary. I grew it in my backyard and I absolutely love it. What are some of the properties of rosemary? Well, first, let me tell you that rosemary is in the same family with mint and lavender and thyme and oregano. They're all very fragrant and they all have amazing properties. One of the properties of rosemary is that it is antioxidant. It's a strong, a potent antioxidant. And what that means is that as your body produces inflammation through this free radical formation, rosemary has properties to actually scavenge the free radicals so that it prevents those free radicals from damaging the DNA of your cells that can promote disease, thereby inhibiting or halting the disease replication process, all of that stuff, right? And so we're excited about that. But there has been some more incredible research coming out about rosemary. In a journal called Therapeutic Advancements in Psychopharmacology, they have discovered that rosemary, smelling rosemary, may actually increase concentration. They've also discovered that it may actually help to scavenge free radicals that damage brain tissue. Can I say that again? They think the research is showing that rosemary, properties in rosemary can actually scavenge the free radicals that can cause brain damage. Now, what is the brain good for? Executive function, thinking, memory from the hippocampus, emotions, the amygdala, all these different parts of the brain, even some motor parts of your brain, like the parietal lobes and the listening lobes, like in the temporal lobes. Interestingly, this can inhibit free radical damage in the brain. Now, why is that important? Well, We are developing Alzheimer's in record numbers. We're developing problems with our memory and foggy thinking and things like that. Can you imagine that using something like this can slow that process down or even prevent it? Scientists are thinking that it actually may prevent Alzheimer's. I know that there's still research coming on about that, but there is a chemical called carnosic acid in the rosemary, and that is the part that seems to be the active part in fighting the free radical damage in the brain. So what I have done for you is I have developed like some really amazing recipes using rosemary. And one of them I'm sharing with you today. So check out the description box below for this delicious mashed potato using gold Yukon potatoes and a bouquet of fresh herbs. I think you're going to enjoy it. It will also be available on our Facebook page and our Instagram page. So make sure you follow us. I'd love for you to like, comment, and subscribe to our station here if you like what you see. And even if you don't like what you see, subscribe anyway. And I would love to hear your comments. So please share with me in your comments, like, what do you use rosemary for? Have you ever used it before? Have you ever smelled it before? Did you know that rosemary can actually inhibit damage to your brain? I'd love to hear from you. So make your comments below. Thank you so much for watching. I really appreciate it, and I can't wait to see you tomorrow with another fabulous recipe. So you have a good day. Live life on purpose.